I am very glad to announce that Universitas Syiah Kuala fully support and is participating in the 13th IMT-GT UNINET Bioscience International Conference 2022. The international conference carried out regularly by IMT-GT UNINET, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Road Calendar University Network. This year, the conference will be hosted by Prince of Songkla University, Thailand on 8 to 9 December 2022. The theme for this occasion is Biocircular Green Economy toward SDGs for the benefit of mankind, to foster cooperation among MTGT communities through knowledge exchange on biocircular green economy concept, to promote the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. As we know that MTGT is one of the biological richest soft spot in the earth. Strengthening collaboration among MTGT members could highly impact the sustainability of natural resources, human well-being, and societies. Universitas Syiah Kuala, as the co-host of this event, welcomes academia, government institutions, and private sector of Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and other partners around the world to join in Songkla as one of special economic zone of Thailand. We together can share and discuss the latest research, innovation, and trend in the field of biocircular green economy model for sustainable growth. We are looking forward to seeing the enormous impact emerging from our society and our nation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.